Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share with you a quick update on Humanity Protocol Airdrop. So recently they launched their mobile app and now you need to verify Humanity via their app. So you can download the app for Android and iOS both. So here as you can see, I've already verified. So to verify here, first you'll see a verify button. Simply click that button and then a QR code is appear and then you need to scan the code and then you'll get to link. Then click that link and you'll land on Google Play Store. So simply install. After installing the app, open the app and here you need to log into your same account, connect with same wallet. If you use Message browser in mobile or here you can use any of these method. For example, here I'll select Google and then select your email and then follow the instructions. Now here click on verify your Humanity and then click continue on app. Then here slide to confirm. And then you have to follow the instructions like your fingers to prove your Humanity. After completing verification, you will see this page to indicate the successfully message. Then go to the dashboard. Scroll down. And here you can see your verified marks. So don't forget to claim points. If you want all the updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. In this pinned message, you will find all the airdrops I personally farming. So link in the description. So check it out. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.